Introducing the all-new LiftPlus Lite, the portable, transportable, all-in-one system that lifts, plus so much more. The LiftPlus Lite will reduce the number of times you need to bend, twist, or grab when moving your equipment. It will keep the load balanced while giving you a clear line of sight as you move down aisles, hallways, and through doors as narrow as 28 inches. We have designed the LiftPlus Lite to be just that, light. The combined weight of the modular sections is only 97 pounds, including the payload platform, yet it's rated to handle up to 150 pounds. That's more than enough capacity for handling loads in food service and van-based vending, IT service, remodeling and repair, commercial paint stores, home and farm supply stores, and general merchandising. We designed a sturdy chassis that can turn in tight locations using heavy-duty 10-inch rear wheels and 3.5-inch casters on the front, giving you the control and ground clearance to go where you need to go. And when you want your load to stay in place, we have an integrated rear brake solution that is easily pressed by either foot and applies enough force to grip the ground to prevent the LiftPlus Lite from rolling forward or backward. It's just as easy to release the rear brake. Just press either side of the release rod and you are on your way. Need more staying power? Engage the optional locking casters to keep the unit from moving side to side. Our one-piece platform includes strap points to ensure all your loads are secure, and corner bumpers to protect walls, door frames, and other items that may come in contact with the platform. The loop handle design allows for single-hand operation and allows a secured load to be broken back. The lift section incorporates a 12-volt electric screw drive, which is quiet and easy to maintain. It can be controlled by the built-in up-down switch, or you can use the optional tethered remote to actuate lifting and lowering up to 6 feet away. The LiftPlus Lite is truly a portable solution that disassembles and assembles in minutes. This allows you to take the LiftPlus Lite anywhere you need to go. The dual-pin connection on the column-to-chassis connection adds strength and durability if you are required to move a load down a step or curb. The single-pin column connection makes connecting any of the available attachments effortless. If you need a portable, transportable solution for your payloads, get the LiftPlus Lite and go beyond lifting.